Today we have an unbelievable update from Ishq Junooni. The upcoming episode is packed with shocking twists, emotional confrontations, hidden secrets, and a decision that could change the lives of Guru, Ruhani, and Tejasvi forever. Just when everyone thinks the wedding is finally going to happen, fate has something completely different planned. So stay with us until the very end because the final moments of this episode are truly unforgettable. The episode begins with a grand wedding celebration. The entire house is glowing with beautiful decorations, flowers, music, and smiling faces. Family members are busy welcoming guests while everyone eagerly waits for the bride and groom to begin the wedding rituals. Tejasvi looks happier than ever. Dressed in stunning bridal attire, she believes all her dreams are finally coming true. She proudly smiles at her family, convinced that nothing can stop her marriage with Guru. In her mind, every obstacle has already been removed, and today marks the beginning of a perfect future. Guru, however, tells a completely different story. Although he is wearing the groom's outfit, his face reflects worry instead of happiness. He tries to smile for the family, but deep inside, his heart is restless. The memories of Ruhani continue to haunt him. He cannot forget how easily everyone accused her without giving her a chance to defend herself. As Guru slowly walks toward the wedding altar, everyone watches with excitement. The priest asks him to take his place so the ceremony can begin. Just as Guru is about to sit down, a loud voice suddenly echoes through the wedding hall. Stop! Guru, don't sit at the altar. The music stops instantly. Every guest turns around in complete surprise. Standing at the entrance is none other than Ruhani. Her sudden appearance leaves everyone speechless. No one expected her to return on the biggest day of Guru's life. Some family members are shocked, while others become nervous because they fear what she might reveal. Ruhani walks forward with confidence. She is no longer the broken girl who silently accepted every accusation. Today, she has returned with courage, determination, and evidence. Without wasting a single moment, she places a bag full of money before the family. She calmly explains that this is the same money she was accused of stealing. She says she never committed the theft and that she has come back only because she cannot allow lies to destroy her dignity forever. The wedding hall falls completely silent. People begin whispering among themselves. Some start questioning whether they made a terrible mistake by blaming Ruhani without knowing the truth. Before anyone can react, Guru rushes toward Ruhani. Unable to control his emotions any longer, he embraces her in front of everyone. The emotional moment leaves every guest stunned. For a few seconds, no one speaks. Tejasvi watches the scene with anger burning in her eyes. She cannot tolerate Guru showing so much concern for Ruhani on the very day of their wedding. She immediately accuses Ruhani of creating unnecessary drama and claims that everything is part of another plan to stop the marriage. But Ruhani remains calm. She refuses to argue. Instead, she quietly takes out her mobile phone and tells everyone that the truth cannot stay hidden forever. She plays a video before the entire family. The shocking footage appears to show Mama secretly taking the missing money. Gasps fill the room. Several family members look at one another in disbelief. Everything they believed suddenly begins to fall apart. Just then, Lalita Bhabhi enters the wedding venue. To everyone's surprise, she refuses to defend her husband. Instead, she supports Ruhani and admits that many important truths have been hidden from the family for far too long. Her words make the atmosphere even more tense. Rouhani explains that this was never just about stolen money. It was a carefully planned conspiracy designed to destroy her reputation, separate her from Guru, and force her out of the family forever. According to Rouhani, Mama was not working alone. She believes other people secretly helped him carry out the plan. As suspicion grows stronger, Tejasvi becomes increasingly uncomfortable. She realizes that the truth is slowly coming closer. However, before anyone reaches a final conclusion, Mami steps forward. With clever words and emotional manipulation, she changes the direction of the conversation. She convinces several family members that the video may have been edited or misunderstood. Confusion spreads throughout the house once again. Instead of accepting Rouhani's evidence, the family becomes divided. Some believe her. Others continue to doubt her. Seeing that no one is ready to trust her completely, Rouhani's heart breaks once again. With tears in her eyes, she quietly turns around and decides to leave. She feels that no matter how much evidence she brings, people have already made up their minds. But Guru cannot let her leave like this. He stops her before she reaches the door. Then he turns toward the family and delivers one of the most emotional speeches of his life. He reminds everyone that they judged Rouhani without proof. He asks them how easily they believed lies while refusing to listen to the truth. He questions whether this is what family truly means. His powerful words leave everyone silent. Several family members lower their heads in shame. Guru then reveals another shocking surprise. He produces additional proof and explains how the entire misunderstanding was carefully created. He openly confronts everyone who participated in spreading false accusations. He even warns that relationships built on lies can never bring true happiness. Watching Guru defend her fills Rouhani's eyes with tears. Even after suffering so much pain, she still doesn't want him to fight with his family because of her. She gently asks him to stay calm. Then comes one of the most heartbreaking moments of the episode. Rouhani walks toward Guru. With trembling hands, she carefully adjusts his wedding headpiece. Although tears continue rolling down her face, she quietly wishes him happiness. Guru becomes overwhelmed with emotion. He finally realizes the depth of Rouhani's love. She has never wanted revenge. She has never wished for anyone's downfall. Even after being insulted, blamed, and humiliated, she continues thinking about Guru's happiness before her own. At that very moment, Guru makes a life-changing decision. He refuses to continue the wedding. Everyone is left completely shocked. The priest stops the ceremony. The guests begin whispering. Tejasvi cannot believe what she is hearing. Guru firmly announces that he will not marry until Banti Bhaiya and Jasan Bhabhi's children receive the love, respect, and rightful place in the family that they deserve. He says that a wedding cannot take place while injustice continues inside the same household. His words shake the entire family. Some relatives try to convince him. Others beg him not to create more problems. But Guru refuses to change his decision. Meanwhile, Rouhani quietly leaves the wedding venue. She walks alone to a nearby temple. Standing before God with folded hands and tears streaming down her face, she prays for truth, justice, and peace. She doesn't ask for revenge. She only asks that the innocent be protected and that the truth finally comes into the light. Back at the house, panic spreads through the family. Everyone realizes that Guru will never break his promise. Now the family must decide whether to fulfill his condition or lose the wedding forever. At the same time, Tejasvi becomes more frightened than ever. She knows that if more secrets are exposed, everything she worked so hard to achieve could disappear in a single moment. But the biggest question still remains unanswered. Will Guru expose the entire conspiracy? Will Ruhani finally receive the justice she deserves? Will Tejasvi and the real masterminds be exposed before it's too late? Or will another unexpected twist change the story once again? The upcoming episodes promise powerful emotions, shocking betrayals, unforgettable confrontations, and twists that no fan of Ishq Junooni should miss. If you're excited to see what happens next, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another update.